Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this crocodile print French tip step by step. It's going to be explained to the best of my ability, but it's pretty much really easy. So we're going to go ahead and start off with Gershon, and I'm doing full cover tips. I'm doing the lazy girl method today. So I've already prepped my nails. I went ahead and added the base coat already. So we're just going to go ahead and get into this application process. So if this is you guys' first time ever doing the lazy girl method, all you have to do is make sure that it's really close to your cuticle, and it's okay if it like comes out the sides. You guys can just use the e-file to clean that up. Thank you guys so much. We have 102 subscribers while I'm editing this video right now. It is 1:24 p.m. on Friday, September 3rd. And I have 102 subscribers. So thank you so much for everyone who subscribed so far. You guys are really making my dreams come true. I am very appreciative of every single one of you. Now that I'm done with my sentimental talking, I'm just going to go ahead and, let you guys watch this application process, and then I'm going to jump right back in when I'm adding the nail polish. Now that we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and wipe with alcohol. I use 70% alcohol. You guys can use slip solution or whatever you prefer, but I prefer 70% rubbing alcohol. And then I went ahead and filed, and now we're wiping again, and then we're going to get into this nail art. So I decided to do black and white crocodile print. Right now I'm doing the French tip part of it. It took me a while to get my French tips down without using a tool, but now that I have it, it's so easy for me. So what I did is I went ahead and did my line first to make sure I have the French tip as low as I want it to be and the precise shape that I want it to be, and then I'm gonna go ahead and color it in like I just did. So I'm just gonna do this to every nail, and then we're gonna come back with the croc print. So now for this crocodile print, I am using top coat. I'm not using the bloom this time. I'm just using top coat to see how it's going to come out and if I like using top coat better than bloom. So I went ahead and did my thumb off camera. I started on camera, but I did it off camera. I'm gonna come back with the next finger and I'm gonna slow it down so you guys can see exactly what I did. So now I'm going ahead and adding top coat. Guys, I used a skinnier brush so that I would be able to get each line in there precisely, but I didn't want it to be too perfect. So now I'm just doing the sides. I try to go kind of in between the lines that I did in the middle. So I don't cure this until I let it spread out a little bit. Sometimes I like blow on it to spread the lines out more. On to the next nail, and I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys watch this process. It's the same exact process as the last nail, and then we're gonna come back. So instead of doing glossy top, I decided to do matte. So this is what I'm using. I'm using a matte top coat, and then I'm adding my little small black gems, and then we're going to cure them in the lamp. So here's the finished result, and then I have to show you guys another angle. Better lighting. Here's that angle right here. And I want to thank you guys again for 102 subscribers. Like, I think that's really big for me. Like, thank you guys so much. Next thing you know, we're gonna be to 1,000. Let me know if you guys like these down in the comments below. Had to zoom it in for you guys, and then I'm gonna show you another clip with different lighting. Yeah, so this concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.